facial recognition technology has been around for decades. However, in recent years, it has seen more widespread adoption. Why? Artificial intelligence. Advances in deep learning and faster systems for processing enormous amounts of data has helped the technology come closer to reaching its full potential. The global market for facial recognition is expected to reach $12.92 billion by 2027. And it is not just for safety and security. Just to name a few, facial recognition software is starting to appear in retail, transportation, the hospitality industry, and the banking industry. But what is facial recognition technology? Facial recognition is a biometric tool. Facial recognition identifies a person based on specific aspects of their physiology. Though the software can vary, the process of facial recognition tends to follow three basic steps. First, your face is captured with a photo or video. The software then measures a variety of facial features called landmarks or nodal points on the face. That facial signature is then compared to a database of known faces. This can all happen in a matter of seconds.